My dear students, now I want to discuss the problems of application of derivatives from the book of NCERT. So, you see, the first problem is from exercise 6.3. Problem is the slope of the normal to the curve. The slope of the normal to the curve y is equal to 2x square plus 3 sin x at x is equal to 0 is 3, 1 by 3, minus 3, minus 1 by 3. There are 4 options. The equation of given curve y is equal to 2x square plus 3 sin x. Slope of tangent to the curve is dy by dx 2 into 2x plus 3 cos x. Slope of curve at x is equal to 0 is dy by dx at x is equal to 0 is equal to 4 into 0, 3 into cos 0, that is 3. Therefore, slope of normal at x is equal to 0 is minus 1 by slope of tangent. It will be minus 1 by 3. So option D is correct. Option D is correct. Now see problem number 2. And it is problem number 27 of exercise 6.3. My dear student, the line y is equal to x plus 1 is a tangent to the curve y square is equal to 4x at the point A 1 2, B 2 1, C 1 minus 2, D minus 1 2. The equation of the given curve is y square is equal to 4x. Differentiating with respect to x, we have 2y dy by dx is equal to 4. So dy by dx is equal to 2 by y. Dy by dx is equal to 2 by y. So slope of the curve, slope of the tangent to the curve is 2 by y. So now the slope of the tangent to given curve at point xy is dy by dx 2 by y. The given line is y is equal to x plus 1. So slope of line, that is coefficient of x, that is 1. So, but slope of the tangent is 2 by y. So y is equal to 2. Now y is equal to x plus 1. So x is equal to y minus 1. And y is equal to 2. So x is equal to 1. So in this way, we find the point at which the tangent is drawn to the curve. Now option A is correct. Option A is correct. So my dear student, I want to discuss question number 29 of exercise 6.5. The maximum value of x into x minus 1 plus 1 whole to the power 1 by 3. 0 less than x, x less than 1 is 1 by 3 whole to the power 1 by 3. 1 by 2, 1, 0. Since fx is equal to x into x minus 1 plus 1 whole to the power 1 by 3. After simplifying, fx is equal to x square minus x plus 1 whole to the power 1 by 3. So f dash x is equal to d by dx of x square minus x plus 1 whole to the power 1 by 3. Now 1 by 3 x square minus x plus 1 whole to the power 1 by 3 minus 1, and d by dx is equal to d by dx x square minus x plus 1. So it is 1 by 3 x square minus x plus 1. 1 by 3 minus 1, that is minus 2 by 3. So 2x minus 1. So f dash x is equal to 2x minus 1 by 3 into x square minus x plus 1. When f dash x is equal to 0, 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1 by 2. Now value of function at x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 and also x is equal to 1 by 2. Now we have to check the value of the function where this x is equal to 1, 2 is the critical point, and also at the end point also. So now f0 is equal to 0 into 0 minus 1 plus 1 whole to the power 1 by 3, and it is 1 whole 1 by 3, that is 1. Similarly, the value of function at 1 is 1 into 1 minus 1 plus 1 whole to the power 1 by 3 is equal to 1. And value of the function f x is equal to 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 1 whole to the power 1 by 3. That is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. And that is minus, taking common 4, 1 minus 2 plus 4 whole to the power 1 by 3. And that is 3 by 4 whole to the power 1 by 3. Thus, maximum value of f in the interval 0 to 1 is at 1. So, my dear students, in this way, we can find the maximum value of the function in given interval. I have already recalled the rule so that it will be convenient for you to solve the problem easy. Now I want to solve next problem. My dear student, next problem is the slope of the tangent to the curve x is equal to t square 2t minus 8, y is equal to 2t square minus 2t minus 5 at the point 2 minus 1 is 22 by 7, 6 by 7, 7 by 6, minus 6 by 7. My dear student, how will you solve this type of problem? The given curve is x t square plus 2t minus 8 and y 2t square minus 2t minus 5. So equation is in term of t. So by finding the value of dx by dt and dy by dt from first and second, we have twice t plus 3, dy by dt is equal to 4t minus 2. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dt into dt by dx, that is 4t minus 2 divided by 2t plus 3. The given point is 2 minus 1. So at x is equal to 2 we have the equation is t square plus 3t minus 8. And by putting the value of x is equal to 2 we have t square plus 3t minus 10, t square plus 5t minus 2t minus 10, t into t plus 5 minus 2t plus 5 is equal to 0. That is t plus 5 into t minus 2 is equal to 0. So now either t plus 5 is equal to 0, that is t is equal to minus 5, or t minus 2 is equal to 0, that is t is equal to 2. At y is equal to minus 1 we have 2t square minus 2t minus 5 is equal to minus 1. So now 2t square minus 2t minus 5 plus 1 is equal to 0. That is 2t square minus 2t minus 4 is equal to 0. By taking common 2, t square minus t minus 2 is equal to 0. But 2 is not equal to 0. So t square minus t minus 2 is equal to 0. That is t square minus 2t plus t minus 2 is equal to 0. By taking common t, so t minus 2. By taking common 1, it is t minus 2. So it is t minus 2 into t plus 1 is equal to 0. Either t minus 2 is equal to 0, that is t is equal to 2, or t plus 1 is equal to 0, that is t minus 1. The common value of t is equal to 2. Hence the slope of the tangent to the given curve at point 2 comma minus 1 is 4 into 2 minus 2, 2 into 2 plus 3, that is 8 minus 2 by 4 plus 3, that is 6 plus 7. So the correct option is B. The correct option is B. Now my dear student, I want to solve problem number 5. And it is problem number 21. The line y is equal to mx plus 1 is a tangent to the curve y square is equal to 4x if the value of m is 1, 2, 3, 1 by 2. Since equation of tangent is y is equal to mx plus 1, y square is equal to 4x. So equation of curve. Dear student, so this problem is problem of exercise, miscellaneous exercise on chapter 6, problem number 21. So now I want to make it clear, the equation of tangent is y is equal to mx plus 1 and the equation of curve is y square 4x. So now we want to find the point of intersection of the line and the curve. For the purpose, we put the value of y is equal to mx plus 1 in the equation of the curve. It will be mx plus 1 whole square is equal to 4x. M square x square 1 plus 2m minus 4x is equal to 0. M square x square by taking common x 2m minus 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. Now important point is, it is a quadratic equation in term of x. So now, we want to find the value of d. d is b square minus 4ac. That is 2m minus 4 whole square, 4 into m square plus 1. That is 4m square minus 16m plus 60 minus 4m square. So, what do we observe? We observe that 16 minus 16m is equal to 0, so m is equal to 1. Hence, the required value of m is 1. So now, the correct answer is A. My dear student, why we put here m? D is equal to 0. We want to make it clear. Here, whenever we draw a tangent at a point, then what do we observe? We observe that roots are equal at that point. Roots are equal at that point. That's why we here put d is equal to 0. Now, my dear student, we want to solve problem number 22 of this miscellaneous, and it is problem number 6 of this study material. The normal at the point 1, 1 on the curve 2y plus x square plus 3 is x plus y is equal to 0, x minus y is equal to 0, x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0, x minus y is equal to 1. The equation of curve is 2y plus x square is equal to 3. Differentiating with respect to x, we have 2 dy by dx plus 2x is equal to 0. This implies dy by dx is equal to minus x. This implies dy by dx at the point 1, 1 is minus 1. The slope of the normal to the given curve at point 1, 1 is 1 by dy by dx at 1, 1 is plus 1. Hence, the equation of the normal to the given curve at 1, 1 is y minus y1, that is y minus 1. M, slope is 1, into x minus x1. The equation of the normal. Slope is 1 here, x minus y. So, y minus 1 is equal to x minus 1. So, x minus y is equal to 0. The correct answer is B. So, my dear student, now I want to discuss problem number 23. The normal to the curve x square 4y passing through 1, 2 is, here there are 4 options. So, my dear student, how will you solve this equation? The equation of the given curve is x square is equal to 4y. Differentiating with respect to v, we get the value of dy by dx. So now, if the slope of the normal to the given curve at point hk is given by y minus k minus 2 by h minus 2 by h, this is the slope of tangent. The slope of the normal, the reciprocal of the slope of tangent with negative sign, the minus 2 by h, x minus h. Now, my dear student, it is given that the normal passes through the point 1, 2. So, we put 2 minus k instead of y and minus 2 by h, x minus x, that is 1, 1 minus h. So, after solving, we have k is equal to 2 by 2 plus h, 1 minus h. Since hk lies on the curve, x square is equal to 4y. So, we have a relation. What relation? H square is equal to 4k. So, k is equal to h square by 4. From equation second, we have h square by 4 is equal to 2 plus 2 by h within the bracket 1 minus h. H square by 4 is equal to 2h plus 2 minus 2h divided by h. So, h cube is equal to 8, h is equal to 2, k is equal to h square by 4. So, k is equal to 1. Hence, the equation of the normal is given by y minus y1 is equal to minus mx minus x1. It is y minus 1 minus x minus 2. It is y equal to y plus x is equal to 3. So, the correct answer is A. My dear student, you want to discuss problem number 24. The point on the curve 9y square is equal to x cube, where the normal to the curve makes equal intercept with the axis r. These are the options. Given curve 9y square is equal to x cube. Differentiating with respect to x, we have 9 into 2y dy by dx is equal to 3x square. Dy by dx is equal to x square by 6y. The slope of the normal to the given curve at point x1 y1 is minus y dy by dx at x1 y1 minus 6y1 x square. So the equation of the normal to the curve at x1 y1 is y minus y1 minus 6y1 by x1 square, x minus x1. It will be x1 square y minus x1 square y1 minus 6xy1 plus 6x1 y1. So it will be 6xy1 divided by 6xy1 plus x1 square y1 plus x1 square y 6x1 y1 plus x1 square y1 is equal to 1. And after solving, x by x1 6 plus x1 by 6, y by y1 plus 6 x1 by x1 is equal to 1. It is given that the normal makes equal intercept with the axis. Therefore, the value of a is equal to equal. So x1 6 x1 by 6 and y1 6 x1 by x1. x1 by 6 is equal to x1 by y1. So x1 y square is equal to 6y1. Also the point x1 y1 lies on the curve. So we have 9y square is equal to x1 cube. From first and second we have 9x1 square 6 whole square by x1 cube. That is x1 to the power 4 by 4 is equal to x1 cube. So x1 is equal to 4. So my dear student, from second we have 9y square is equal to y1 square is equal to 4 cube, that is 64. So y1 square is equal to 64 by 9. So y1 is equal to plus minus 8 by 3. Hence the required point are 4 comma plus minus 8 by 3. The answer A is correct. Now we want to discuss problem number 9. If the curve ayx square plus 7 and x cube y cut orthogonally at 1 1, then the value of a is 1 0 minus 6 6. We have ay plus x square is equal to 7. This is x cube and x cube is equal to y, the second equation. On differentiating with respect to x in both equations, we get a into dy by dx plus 2x is equal to 0. So dy by dx is equal to minus 2x by a. Also dy by dx is equal to 3x square. So from 3 and 4 we have dy by dx is equal to minus 2a. And dy by dx of third is 3, that is m2. Since the curve cuts orthogonally at 1 1, so m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. By putting the value of m1 into m2, we have a is equal to 6. So correct option is A. The curve y is equal to a into e to the power x and y is equal to b to the power e minus x. Cut orthogonally if a is equal to b, a is equal to minus b, ab is equal to 1, none of these. Given equation of curves y is equal to a into e to the power x, y is equal to b into e to the power minus x, second. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, dy by dx a into e to the power x is equal to m1. dy by dx b into e to the power x minus 1 is equal to m2. By multiplying third and fourth, we have a into e to the power x plus b into e to the power minus x with negative sign. And after multiplying, simplifying, we have minus ab. Since both cut orthogonally, if m1 and m2 is equal to minus 1. So minus ab is equal to minus 1. So ab is equal to 1. So option C is correct. Option C is correct. So my dear student, now I want to discuss problem number 11. The curve y is equal to x to the power 1 by 5 has at 0 0 a vertical tangent parallel to y axis, a horizontal tangent parallel to x axis, an oblique tangent, no tangent. We have y is equal to x to the power 1 by 5. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by 5 x to the power 1 by 5 minus 1. 1 by 5 x to the power minus 4 by 5. That is 1 by 5, 0 into minus 4 by 5, that is infinity. So dy by dx at 0 0 is infinity. So the curve y is equal to x to the power 1 by 5 has a vertical tangent at 0 0. This is important. Vertical tangent which is parallel to y axis. So option A is correct. Now my dear student, We want to discuss problem number 12. The tangent to the curve y is equal to e to the power x at the point 0, 1, meet x-axis at a 0, 1, b minus 1, 2, 0, c 2, 0, d 0, 2. The equation of curve is y is equal to e to the power 2x. Since it passes through point 0, 1, so dy by dx of this is e to the power 2x into 2 into e to the power 2x, and dy by dx at 0, 1 is 2 into e to the power 2 into 0, that is 2. So slope of tangent to the curve, equation of tangent is y minus y1 m x minus x1. It is y minus 1 2x. It is y is equal to 2x plus 1. Since tangent to the curve y is equal to e to the power 2x at the point 0, 1 meets x-axis, that is y is equal to 0. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1 by 2. So the required point is minus 1 by 2, 0. Hence B is correct option. So my dear student, I have discussed so many problems of different exercise. And if there are no problem of this some important exercise, I will add it in the next video. Thank you very much for watching the video, taking sincerely notes. I hope you would be doing the examination. Thank you very much.